We're going to talk about 5 different points on why cryptocurrency is going to be very bullish for 2021, or at least for the next few months, depending on when you watch this video. Could be very wrong, could be very right. Not a financial advisor, just Dan on the internet connecting the dots. So we're going to talk about the Elon Musk conspiracy, Dogecoin, crypto accounts not being able to be opened due to verification, and just a backlog of accounts. That's actually a super bullish signal already. Billions of dollars in profits from crypto companies like Coinbase, Binance, Cash App, just for facilitating cryptocurrency trades, and some potential speculation with Apple. This is absolutely speculation, none of it is true, but Apple loves money, and obviously if they can easily make money, they're gonna make some money. The Elon Musk conspiracy. So without a doubt, Elon Musk has a lot of influence. He said use Signal, and that is talking about a chat app, while the app he was talking about is not a publicly traded company. A different company named Signal, Signal Advance Inc., skyrocketed. This just shows, yes, Elon has a lot of influence and he can move the markets. This was also proven with the GameStop stop. When Elon tweeted about GameStop, the price went way up. Same thing for Dogecoin. Elon Musk has been talking about Dogecoin and the price has been going up, causing a big trend in the market for people to join and buy cryptocurrency. Now, Dogecoin is one of the lowest priced coins in cryptocurrency because it has the highest coin supply. I did another video on that, just kind of explaining the economics of Dogecoin. For or against it doesn't really matter. The thing that really matters is this is bringing people into cryptocurrency, which is my number 2 bullish signal, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is bringing a lot of people into cryptocurrency. Now, I really don't want people to have any expectations of getting rich. We don't know what's going to happen with Dogecoin because a significant amount of Dogecoin is controlled by a few dozen people. So a sell-off can happen at any time. I personally am not invested in Dogecoin. I have nothing against it. You can absolutely invest in it. I sincerely hope Dogecoin does well, but a sell-off can easily happen by any one of the long-term Doge whales just selling it off. This can cause the price to crash. A lot of new investors aren't used to holding. If they see the price dropping, they might sell immediately. So you might see a lot of volatility with Dogecoin, but the good thing about Dogecoin is it is an excellent entry point for new users. New people see that, oh, this price is going up, the coin is still affordable, I think I'm going to buy some Dogecoin. Now, comparing that to a Bitcoin being over $46,000, that is a very intimidating number. With those exact same economics, Apple is the biggest company in the world right now with a $2.28 trillion market cap. The current market for all of cryptocurrency right now is just less than 1.4 trillion, and in the past 3 months, all of cryptocurrency tripled. There was $445 billion in all the coins combined, and now it's just under $1.4 trillion. Look forward to another video on investing in cryptocurrency because there are a lot of scams in it. There's over 8,000 coins, and maybe there's only a few hundred legitimate projects, making it very risky. You should really know what you're investing in. One of the biggest market signals for me is that a lot of people have been commenting in my videos that they can't get their account verified. That means there are people who want to buy cryptocurrency and they can't buy it. This is new money that wants to go into the crypto market, but they're having trouble getting verified. Now, this is due to an immense amount of new user demand, which is really good, which says if more money is going into cryptocurrency, anyone who is already investing in cryptocurrency, their investments are going to go up. Can't make that as a promise, but that's how that works. Like, not a financial advisor. Once again, I'm just saying more money goes into something, that price goes up. So even if you just look on Twitter, you can see that people are having issues with Binance verifications, with Coinbase, with Kraken. It's happening across the board for a majority of platforms. The 4th bullish signal for me is that companies will continue supporting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies because it's making them money. Cash App did $1.63 billion in revenue and actual profits of $32 million for just facilitating the trading of Bitcoin. And that's because Cash App users can use Bitcoin. Now, let's say Apple did this. Apple automatically made an Apple exchange and had that on an Apple wallet on every iPhone and iPad and Mac. That could be a lot of money just being thrown into Apple's pocket. Now, that is just speculation, which is kind of my last point, and we'll get to that in a second. In 2020, Binance made $1 billion. That's $1 billion of profit, and that is the one exchange. I know Binance is the biggest exchange with the lowest fees. Kind of sounds like I'm shilling that. I did another video explaining those fees and setting that up for the Binance US site, but that is a lot of money just from one company. A lot of other companies could see this and say, we want a piece of that pie. There are a lot of new users joining the market. We can onboard them and make some money. For Coinbase in 2020, they did $2.3 billion in revenue and made about $460 million in profit. Really good, not as good as Binance. Coinbase does have some high fees, but if you are a holder, Coinbase is kind of the place to be. They do have some high fees. I highly recommend staying on Coinbase Pro or moving to Binance for lower rates if you are going to do a lot of trading. And my last point, speculation. Potential speculation with Apple. Now, I did a mini deep dive onto the Apple website and I was looking if they were hiring for any jobs regarding blockchain or cryptocurrency. They are not. But there is some speculation to be made. Google pays Apple $12 billion a year just to be their default search engine. This may seem like an unfair practice. Google is actually going through some litigation at the moment regarding this. So Apple might need to fill that void by creating their own search engine, which is kind of in the works right now. Because Apple could just make more money. They could make more than $12 billion a year if all their users use their search engine, and then Apple would control all the searches. So that could be a big potential revenue stream for Apple. But on the flip side, speaking purely on speculation, if Apple makes their own cryptocurrency wallet or exchange like Cash App or Coinbase, they could be taking a big chunk of the cryptocurrency market, which is more revenue and profits for them. And it would be very easy since they own a lot of people's devices, they could just add it on an iOS update. So you have a lot of users already on their iPhones, iPads, and Macs. That is a lot of potential users who they could easily onboard to a cryptocurrency platform. Once again, pure speculation, but that idea is not out of the realm of possibilities. With Tesla's move by $1.5 billion of cryptocurrency and plans to support payments on a Tesla with Bitcoin, this really opens the gate. This is the proving ground saying, hey, the cryptocurrency is a thing and we will support it. And as more companies start to support cryptocurrency, that door to get in is going to get bigger. Since Tesla bought $1.5 billion in cryptocurrency, they actually did so before it pumped. You know, it did that dip from $40,000 to $30,000. And after they made that announcement, it pumped. Now, if Apple did the same thing, or who knows if they are doing this already, this could cause the price to go up a lot. Now, once again, pure speculation, not a financial advisor, but we're seeing a lot more companies put Bitcoin on their books. This has already happened with Square, Cash App, MicroStrategy, Grayscale. Grayscale has a few investment trusts that you can actually invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrency through OTC stock markets. I highly recommend just buying the cryptocurrency because they charge fees that you don't really need to pay. My outlook on cryptocurrency is very positive right now. I'm not investing more US dollars, but I am doing some leverage trading because I'm very bullish on the markets. Now, leverage trading is very dangerous, and I can make a video on that in the future, but it just kind of shows your conviction. Like, all right, if it's going up, I'm gonna bet this much and have this much leverage, and you could easily be liquidated. Gets confusing, but it just shows your conviction, and you can make a lot of money that way. But it's gambling. Honestly, it's gambling, but you can make some money or lose money really fast. That part I should probably leave out of this video because I don't want people losing money, but I just want to be fully open about what I'm doing in the markets, what are my thoughts, and I want people to feel more comfortable about their investments, but I want people to connect the dots about what's happening in the world related to cryptocurrency so they can feel more comfortable about their investments, or or uncomfortable, depending on where you want to go with this. You control your investments, you do your research, you limit your risks, and you'll do well. All right, and with that, I hope you got your full value for today.